Today we have an iMac for repair. The problem is as soon as you turn it on, it stays on the white screen. Now some people might think it's a screen issue, but it's not, because there's no sound as well. We will go ahead and try to do some maintenance on this thing, and that should fix the problem. And if that doesn't work, fixing it would cost a lot of money, and it's not worth it on a 12-year-old device. Thankfully it worked, and we have successfully brought back this ancient giant back to life. These iMacs are old but very well built. The craftsmanship is beautiful and should give another 5 years of service. Here at AppleDoc we fix iMacs, iPads, iPhones, MacBooks and all different types of Apple devices. We are specialists in this field. If you're having any issues with your Apple device and cannot visit our store, you can also use our mail-in service. The details are in the description.